Hey there. I'm recording this video from the rooftops of Marseille in France. I'm going to be talking about willpower, but I don't mean willpower as in the ability to force yourself to do things, to bludgeon through any internal or external barriers or resistances to make yourself do an action. I'm talking about the ability to manifest your will in a harmonious and fully integrated way. If we look at the drivers, the motivations that people use to do things and to help themselves stick to a different discipline and to keep improving in a practice, you'll find that different people tend to favour different approaches. Some people tend to be driven by a sense of fiery ambition. They want to achieve something for the sake of achievement or for self-empowerment. Others tend to be more motivated by learning. They want to learn from each experience and for each practice session. And they want to gain knowledge to pass on to others. Often people are looking for an emotional reward for what they're doing. They want to enjoy a practice or an undertaking. Sometimes it's just the results that are being sought. The material manifestation or the actual outcome, whether that be being paid, making something, or seeing the rewards of your labours. We could correspond these four motives to the elements. Fire being will, air being wanting to learn from an experience, water being the emotional engagement, whether this be wanting to enjoy it or another emotion that leads you to take action. Some people use different emotions to make themselves fully engage. Or earth being the actual outcome. I want to see the results. I found that if you ask someone who's really excelled in a skill, an undertaking or a hobby, to tell you why they do it, they'll actually list all four of those in turn. If, however, you talk to someone who's struggling to improve in something they're doing or to actually stick to a discipline, you'll find they tend to be relying on just one. And actually, it's normally something that they've learned is effective for some disciplines when they were young, or a value system that has been taught to them, a motive for doing things which people around them have shown to be the most valuable and genuine reason. In order to be able to effortlessly keep improving and to stick to whatever discipline you wish to, you need to be friends with all of your elements and have them fully on board. You want your whole team together, have the retinue working as an integrated whole. So if you find that you're someone who is just moved by purpose and is very ambitious in life and wants to achieve many different things, you may want to move past just ticking achievement boxes by really learning to savor each and every moment in life, and particularly savoring those activities that you've previously seen as just there to gain an achievement or to empower yourself or improve your position. If you're someone who is on a learning kick and you only do things to improve yourself and to learn from the world, maybe it's time to start to enjoy the fruits of your labours more, to allow yourself to do things just for the results, maybe even just for the physical gain that you get from them. If you really enjoy things or get very emotionally involved, so much so that you maybe forget to learn the most effective approach or keep improving in what you're doing, maybe you could start to view the whole of life, and particularly the disciplines you'd like to see development in, as a learning experience, and really fine-tune every small thing and big thing you do, no matter how mundane or how important. This path of self-development is a process that involves self-knowledge and ongoing dedication to finding the other values and ways of interacting with your disciplines and with life as well. Doing this is extremely rewarding because you'll learn to understand others in a brand new way. But also, as your elements balance, you'll have great epiphanies and new ways of viewing things. Most of all, you'll start to enjoy life more, and colour will come in areas you couldn't see it. By working as an integrated whole, you have flexibility and can use different approaches at different times. Instead of using one element and tiring that out and using it up, you'll find you have great reserves and can vary your approach to the same circumstance. My name's Martin Faulks, and I hope this video has been of great use to anyone who's wanting to stick to a discipline and create ongoing improvement in areas of their life. Until next time, let's let every word, thought and action count.